Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. You know what we's about to do. You know this. Let's get that cold start. You guys barely could see me, but it's okay. It is early in the morning. Gotta go meet up with D. But let's get that cold start. Hope you guys are able to hear that. Sheesh. But yeah, guys, like I just said, right now I'm about to go meet up with the homie D. I'm running a little late as always, but it's okay. Actually, we're fine. Go meet up with him, and then we're gonna go meet up with actually a bunch of Supras today. We got a couple of homies coming down, or who came down from North Cal. I think they came from San Jose. We're all gonna meet up today, hit the ranked meet, and kick it. There's gonna probably be a lot of us today, like a lot of Supras, so it's gonna be a dope day. I'm about to leave my camera right here, bro. It's not moving, it's all good, just a little shaky, but it's a pretty dope little spot. Ow, spoke too soon, damn. So we have officially met up with the homie D right here, and bro, I was just telling him his car looks insane with this gloomy weather. Like the color he has is like perfect for this weather. I'm gonna try to get some rollers in right now for him when we get on the freeway. It just looks so dope. And then even with these Alpha Rex tail lights, dude, it looks so good. Alpha Rex, hit me up, please. Get me a pair.
Somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, and don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them off. Take a risk or take a trip. You know, I'm tripping for my dog.
The car in front of me has now changed. It was D, and now look. We got the Batmobile on the highway, aka Carlo. And look, bro, oh my gosh, we're rolling deep today. We got like at least 7 Supras on the highway right now, bro. It's insane. Sheesh. Oh, I'm trying to focus. There's like 7 of us on there, bro. It's crazy. If you guys can see right now the amount of Supras we have, it's crazy. We have Carlo in his wide body one. And bro, if you just look right behind us, there's like 5 more. We like almost taking half like the freeway. Got him! Nah, okay, I'm just tripping. That's too much. I wish I had a camera person, bro, so they could be filming for me. Cause I'm like the lead of the pack, so I can't record anything. And guys, we are going the speed limit, trust me. Everyone is just zooming by us, bro. I'm telling you, it's like a racetrack on the damn freeway. You know, we're hitting the speed limit, but people are just overtaking us. Like, we're moving so slow. And I promise you guys, we are not moving slow. We are going the speed limit, you feel me? But they make us feel like I'm not moving fast enough. Cause look at these cars just passing us, bro, just zooming by us. Dude's gotta be hitting at least 85, 90 right now. Same thing with this car. This car right here too. At least 85, 90, you know, zooming right past us. All right, guys, so we finally had made it. I was on the phone with my girlfriend, sorry, but we got a whole Ferrari, McLaren, a whole Senna over here, bro. It is crazy. There's a lot of cars already, some Porsches, Evo. Sheesh. M5. Nice, nice. Look at the Porsches too. This color is really nice. Those wheels too. I just met some of the crew right now. I was unfortunately on my phone. I didn't get to meet some of them, but just got here. Pretty dope though. M2. Another M2. Nice, nice. Yeah, I need to pee really bad, guys. So we're gonna probably go in there, see what's up. The R34 just never misses, bro. Next to the Supra. Ooh. But yeah, I think we're gonna get some coffee, but I need to pee. RX-7. This thing's sick. In like a midnight purple. And then this guy, it's Kimchi, sick as G80 on the BBS's Adro front bumper. This is a different hood too. I wonder if this is Adro or not. This hood's sick. This thing is really clean. Another RX-7, black R34. And then we got Albert's Cool Kick Supra. Cool kit, I mean. And then this S15, oh my gosh. Yeah, that yellow is hitting right now. Yellow hits in like gloomy weathers. NSX, okay. That's sick. 300, I believe, GT, E92, nice. This black one though, whew. What is this, E88s? Buddha out here breaking necks. So is Alex. Alex is breaking necks. Joel is breaking necks. There, you're breaking everybody's necks out here. Chill, dude. How you doing?
Good, good.
Nice seeing you again.
See you
Haven't seen you in so long.
I know.
It feels like forever.
Alex. Like, I thought they switch it like every now and then.
The guys are here. We got the hot pink, the light pink, the Adro Widebody M4. Then we got another NSX right here, but with the Acura logo and not the pop-up headlights either. Hako GTR, bro, what? This thing's so sick. I would love to own one of these, but they are just going way up in value now. So I don't see that happening anytime soon. Maybe if I get rich and famous. But these are the Supras that we rolled up with. So we have this red one, which looks pretty sick. I like how you faded in the fenders. Same thing with the hood. You can see the Cusco brace bar. Yeah, this thing's pretty tough. The Advan GTs. Sheesh, you got the same wheels as you, bro. And I believe, what is this, an Adro wing? Or, oh no, I think it's the Gohan design with the LED. Nice, carbon hood, carbon roof, okay. I see you, man. And the other red one with some BBSs. These dudes are all like track spec'd out too, because they track their cars. Same thing with that one. Same thing with this one, he tracks his car too. Then we got the guys who don't track their cars. Carlo, and then Troy. Jeez, you know Troy got them track brakes when his white wheels look like this. Damn. Yeah, those track brakes are crazy. And look at his wing. His wing is sick. NorCal Supras. Hey. This wing's pretty sick too. Almost gives me like a Varus style. And look at his exhaust. Holy shit. Nah, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. That is crazy. That's got to be a 5-inch.
What did he say?
What the? Sir. Hey, Carlo, why doesn't your gas cap close?
Did it open by itself?
Yeah. That's why I was like, what the? Oh, okay. There you go. I was like, what the? Pretty dope, bro. Just cruising down the highway right now with all of us. It looked literally insane. Like a Fast and the Furious movie. We were just crossing everything. Bro, it looks so sick. But damn, you're rich, dude. BBSs? Sheesh. All the Bay Area boys are dipping. They're out of here. Jeez. They got a 6-hour drive, they said. Boy, Troy. He used to have a red one, just like these guys over here, but he sold it and got this blue one. What a guy. But damn, we look good. Sheesh. Autobots, roll out.
Where's the nearest Jollibee?
Sick guys. Sheesh. Peace out, player. So we got all the wide bodies right now lining up for a little photo shoot because these guys are usually never all together, and today they're all together, so definitely had to get them all lined up so they can shoot. Dude, Alex's car right now is just popping in this pink. This thing is insane. Looks so good. I got D Supra, Tom's kit. And if you guys notice, these are all different kits. That's an infamous wide body kit that Sean has. D has a Tom's kit. Alex has a Pandem kit. Joel has a Liberty Walk. Albert has a cool kit. And then Carlo has the Adro wide body. Crazy, man. Come on, dude, today. Yeah, but all the wide body boys are here today. So we should start here. I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown of each build right here, all wide bodies, so you guys know what we're talking about. So we got the infamous wide body kit right here. This is Sean's. This is molded as well, molded wide body kit. Sean did molded because he's a baller like that. But yeah, this is his car, SEMA build as well. Super sick. I think this is called like Elephant Gray or something like that, the color. So sick. Show you the interior real quick with the brids or brides, however you guys want to pronounce it. Roll cage, 777 steering wheel. On bags, as you guys can tell. This thing is so sick. We got Albert's cool kit on the Supra. This thing looks like a straight up transformer. Insane. Look how sharp the body lines are. Just look at that front bumper too. This thing is just aggressive as F all around. This thing is so sick. The big wing in the back, all the green carbon, the EVS mirrors, the Recaro podiums. Dude's rich. He is rich. With the TEs, look at the big wing. Green carbon as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but green carbon fiber. I'm trying to show y'all right here, green carbon. This thing is insane, dude. And we got Carlos Adro Widebody Supra right here. Literally the Batmobile. Thing is insane. Looks menacing as F, especially on the road when you just see this thing. This thing is menacing. That's just three of the 6 Supras I just showed you guys right now. Then we got Joel's Liberty Walk on Rohanas with that bright pink. Gives it like a pearl pink type vibes. This was also a SEMA build. Just so you guys can see like the difference in the wide body kits, like Liberty Walk, Infamous. And then we got the Tom's kit. And I believe D's the only one out here with this one. I believe. Don't hold me to it. Albert too. He's the only cool kit out here as well. You guys seen this one, but Tom's kit, got D's and the Recaro, or Sparkles, I mean. Full carbon. Absolutely insane, dude. This thing looks so good. All of them look good. And then Alex's Pandem, absolutely crazy. You guys always see this one. BBS's, come on. You just can't beat that. We got Joel recording over here. Just wanted to give you guys a little brief of everyone's build right here. If you guys want to follow them, I'll leave all their Instagram links. You probably will see them on the screen already popped up, but so sick to see them all here together. Like, you rarely see this. We're probably missing the HKS one, Street Hunter, and I forgot some other one, but oh, Avaris. But everyone's pretty much here. The whole gang's here. Thanks, dude. Those guys are yapping away over there. Such a cool guy, dude. All the Bape stuff. You're rich. Bought a camera in one day. Fully spec'd it out. Rich. Trying to be like you. Trying to be like you, man. How do I do this? Oh my God. I got the wide body Adro M4 next to my Adro Supra. Jeez. I think we're all about to head out right now. Everyone's going their own ways. You dipping? I'm Bodie.
All right, bro.
I'll let you know.
I think he's going too.
Oh yeah, he's dipping too? Fuck, so it looks like we're all dipping. We're all leaving out of here. All right.
We can
All dipping. Yeah. All right then, bro. Good seeing you.
Yeah, that's right. See you.
All right, Joe. Good seeing you, brother.
See you tomorrow.
Probably, huh? All right, then, mains. Out of here. You gotta drive with them, my boy.
Yeah, I'm driving like an hour 30.
I know, dude.
Got you a chubby cattle.
Huh?
Everyone's LA based?
Nah, just me and him mainly. Peace out, dude.
Be safe.
Oh, you too. Peace out, Tyler.
I'll see you.
Yes, sir. Catch you
Is it a
later.
car thing?
No,
Peace
it's
out,
like a
Sean.
music thing.
We're all out of here. Everybody's getting up out of here. All dipping. I'll be following you, basically. All right. Then. Sheesh. So it was a dope little hangout. I went to park over there because I wanted to get my car pictures. Peace out, dude. Oh, I didn't like that one. Give me a proper one. You missed it.
Oh, that was bad too.
It's okay, dude. It's okay. Oh my gosh. You gotta, you gotta cuff it. But get your thumb to go right there. Yeah, just like that. There you go. See? That's a good one right there. Dude, the Adro Widebody M4 just looks so sick. And this is paint, bro. This ain't even a wrap. This is paint. Let me show y'all the flakes. In the sun, this thing hits like crazy, but sheesh. All paint, no wrap. So sick. This thing is menacing as F. Alright guys, so we is finally back home, but in this bag I have something. Some mirrors that I was talking about earlier in this video. So these were Carlos's, the one with the Widebody Supra. These were his. And I told him if I can borrow these to test them out and see if I like how they look on the Supra. Maybe later in this video we'll take these out and test fit them and just see how these look on the Supra. Pretty curious to see how they are. I have heard that they bounce a lot on the freeway and all that, so like it has like a crazy bounce. So I'm gonna test them out and see if I like them. If so, I will be rocking them on the Supra. If not, then we'll just probably return them back to Carlos. Shout out to him for letting me test them out and see if I like them or not. Dope morning overall though. It was dope seeing the homie Troy and meeting some of the NorCal boys. But we definitely got to make a trip out there. Maybe WECFest San Jose, we'll probably go out there. We'll see. We talking about it, but it would be a dope little road trip just to have. But I'm really excited to test these out. I wonder how they're gonna look. Alright guys, so I did say I was gonna work on the mirrors. It's a little dark now, but we're gonna still do them. And all I have to do is pretty much remove, I believe they are T13 or T14s. I think there's 3 of them, I believe so. But it should be pretty easy to remove. I've done it before, so we'll do that real quick. I have no one to help me film, so yeah, you'll see this in like the next clip. Finally installed them. They have, well, I have them on. Installed them real quick with the help of my girly friend. Yeah. Can't really tell right now. Like, I probably have to wait till tomorrow to see it when I take it out and it's like fully in light. But right now it's giving me like a iffy vibe. Just right now, I don't know. It's giving me an iffy vibe. I don't know. Maybe I need a big ass wing or something. But right now it's giving me the. So. Tomorrow we'll see. I'll show you guys tomorrow in the daylight tomorrow. I said tomorrow like 3 times. Yeah. Yeah, I said tomorrow like 3 times, but you guys get it. We'll show you guys in the next clip. But they do look cool. Carlos said I had to leave the Filipino flag, so I will leave it there. That's what I told them. That's why I would leave it. So, I mean, a lot of people do think I am Filipino, which is crazy.
All of my friends who meet him.
Yep.
Is he Asian?
Some type of Asian descent, bro. They think I am, but I am not. I am half Mexican and a quarter Salvadorian. Bro, I am a quarter Salvadorian. Why are you looking at me like that? I'm a quarter Salvadorian. But yeah, man, still got a couple of car parts. Trunk still for sale. Hood still for sale. Please hit me up. No. What? How are you putting yourself for sale? That is crazy.
Just kidding.
Crazy. Somebody buy her. Oh, yeah,
worth a lot.
Yeah. Alright guys, so I need to show you how these mirrors look on the car. I don't know, I'm still iffy on it. I'm trying to let them grow on me, but it's like, I think my car is just too like clean and sleek that these mirrors are a little too aggressive and it just doesn't go right with the theme, I guess. I don't know, you guys let me know though. I'm debating, I've been rocking them for like a day or 2 now. I'm gonna show you guys right now, but you let me know what you guys think. I don't know if it like flows well with my build. Maybe if my build was a little bit more aggressive, it would flow right, but I'm gonna let y'all be the judge of it. Here are the mirrors. I don't know if you guys can see. Look at them. They look sick, but I just don't know if it flows right with the build. You feel me? Like, just look at that. I don't know, bro. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm trying to get you guys like a really good angle of it. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know. Does it flow right? I don't know. I can't tell, bro. My girlfriend said it looks good, but I just don't know. Don't get me wrong. They do look sick. I just don't know if it flows well with the build. You feel me? Maybe if I had a big wing or something, you know, like a big ass wing. I don't know, man. Here, let's see from the rear real quick. Let's see how it looks. I can't really tell. Like, it's hard to see. Maybe I'm gonna have to pull out the car, but it's kind of hard. I don't want to like bring it down because then it's gonna be like an upslope, so it's not gonna look proper, man. But I'm just trying to look wide body too, man. I want to give it a little track, you know, type of vibe. But my wrap is just too sleek, bro. Too clean. Let me just back up the car so you guys can actually see how it looks. I don't know. I'm very iffy on it. I'm very iffy. Let's see. So here, you guys can kind of see it now a little better from the outside, and it just literally looks to have like little ears. It gives me Shrek vibes. But you guys let me know what you guys think. Do they look good or OEM look better? Because like it looks good, but it doesn't. It just doesn't flow right with the build. I don't know. I'm very on the fence of this. I'm like, this angle, sick. That looks tough. This angle looks pretty sick too. The side angles though, I just don't know if it flows with the build like this. I just don't know. So you guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments. Do I rock them or do I just give them back to Carlo and rock my OEM ones? Let me know, guys. I don't know.
Really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. Are we really sure?